Hey, how you doing? Sean Tech here, back again. Hey, any of you kids, any of you folks out there got a dog? Anyone? No? Yes? No? We've got one. We have a yellow Labrador, who eats quite a bit of food, and he's gotten to the point where he's like, food, and he just like eats it all like crazy fast. Well, anyway, one of the pieces spilled off to the side, and I was like, I don't think I've ever looked at a piece of dog food that up close and personal just yet. So I haven't done it just as of yet. So I plucked it off right there. It's the standard. There's your old like 3-leaf clover dog food shape. Dog food, no idea what brand, no idea anything like this. Not sponsored by anything or anything like that. I saw something fall on the ground and I wanted to take a look at what it looks like underneath the microscope, So let's do, because I've never actually looked at a piece of dog food up close there. So let's have a little look-see, shall we? I'm gonna set the microscope right here for 6.7 x magnification, which is my lowest set of magnification that I can actually go to here. And let's put it on my little stage here, and let's move it into. Whoa! Look at that. That is awkward looking. It looks so. Whoa! It looks so grainy and like it looks so like made of a million things. I mean, you look at this thing from the outside. I'm going to zoom in on there. Can you see that? I'm going to zoom in. I don't have any professional equipment or anything like that. Here, I'm going to hold this up to my laptop camera. Can you see that? This is just your standard old piece of dog food. Look at this. Look at this. You put this underneath there and holy cow. There's some stuff going on inside this dog food. Let's focus in. Let's focus in a little bit here. So we're getting a little bit of some focus on here. This is going to present a depth of focus potential issue. The dog food has a little bit of what we call concavity. Concavity is a mathematical term meaning that something that normally is like flat is either concave up, meaning it's got like kind of an arch to it, or concave down, meaning it's got kind of more like a bowl to it on there. It's a mathematical term. It's one of those terms where you're like, that's got some concavity. Nerd glasses up. No, yes, that's not cool. I know, I got it. That's all right. But anyway, this is actually really neat. I mean, I'm gonna use a pair of tweezers just to kind of move this thing around right there. That is really neat. What is that? What is that? There's a thing there. There's a thing lodged into it. Let's zoom into it at around 20x or so is what that is. What is that? There's a thing. The dog is actually asleep, like, on down there right now on the ground. I turned the laptop around, but that would cause you would have to see the rest of the mess that is my current laboratory with my lab in the laboratory. A lot of quotes on that one. 5 sets of quotes. 5 of them. So anyway, dude, what is that? Do you eat that? We buy that for you. Ugh, I don't know. Let's try to see if we can pluck it. Oh my goodness, I dislodged it. Can you all see that? It's coming out. It's coming out. I've got it. Got it in my hand. I don't know what it is. It's right there. Right there. Are you hungry? You sure? He's asleep, actually. He's not asleep. It's the heater. He's an old man dog. That's what he is. Wow, what is this? Look at that thing. You see that guy in there? What is this? What are these pieces? I mean, this is like some compact up together mush. I have no idea what dog food is made of. If you know or suspect that dog food is made out of something, tell me in the comments, and I'll be sure to take a thought bubble experiment as to what it's made. Because I don't know what dog food is made of. Let's increase the brightness a little bit on this as well. Just notice that. Whoa! Look at all this stuff. It's incredible. Oh, look how! Look at that! What is that thing? There's like a little nudge thing that's hanging loose to it right there. What in the world? I don't even know. I don't even know. Let's see here. Other stuff? Is there other stuff to look? I noticed this too. I noticed that there were. What is that? What is that? What is that? Do you want to know what you've been eating? I don't even know if I want to know. Maybe we should switch whatever dog poop is this. Look at that. What is that? Let's get. What is that? Let's take a closer look up, shall we? Let's go to 40x magnification. Whoa! I actually very legitimately don't know what that is. That is a. I'm gonna approach this now with my left hand. I'm a right-handed person, so I have to fortunately be kind of careful. I'm gonna put my thumb to kind of hold this thing. Oof. Excuse me. Sorry. Can I hold you? Is that okay? I'm gonna try to get my tweezers in here. I'm gonna try. Well, whatever it is, it's like it must be like baked in, cooked in. Maybe this is fiber. I don't know. Is that strong for your diet? I have no idea. Let's focus in on the other parts right there. It's like all over the place now. Look at that. It's everywhere. It's everywhere on this thing. It's like all on the inside. It's the glue that holds the dog food together with other things. Are these vitamins? Is this fibers? Are these minerals? Are there any dog experts out there or dog food people that know what it is that we're looking at? I don't know. This is just one of those like it fell on the floor. Maybe it's part of the floor. Maybe it is. Or maybe it's something that's baked into the dog food. I don't know. My floor's not that dirty to have all of this put into it here. It's kind of everywhere. I'm focusing. Excuse me. It's focusing on that part's there. It's definitely like in the food, whatever this happens to be. Dude, that is incredible. I really legitimately don't entirely know what all that stuff is, but it's like it's in there. I'm gonna actually kind of spin this thing around a little bit there and actually take this over to the other side. That's so cool. Look at that. That's a thing. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's a little thing. It's like a little buried treasure put into that. What is that right there? Right there. Is that a vitamin? Is that buried treasure? Is this a thing? Oh, I think I've knocked it loose. Whatever that happens to be. Oof. Excuse me. Sorry. Did I put you there? Sorry about that. Can I put you in there? Can I take you out? Can I do an operation? Operation. Remove thing from dog food thing. Alright, there it is. Well, there you have it. I don't know what these things are, but apparently they are what dog food is made of, at least with this kind of dog food. I don't know. So, and as I'm saying all of this, poor guy is still asleep right there. So, anyway, that's our adventure in looking at things up close. That was weird. Like, dog food is weird. There's got to be a science or something like that out there. You see this on the screen? Down, I guess it's down there. So it's like the picture is actually here. But do you see what that is? Tell me more about it. And let me know in the comments if you want me to kind of find anything out there. I mean, like, I'll scour around the house and find all kinds of little things to be able to look at. Some stuff looks really cool, and some stuff looks really weird. Like this. This is strange. This is some strange stuff. Alright, so, anyway, let me know if you want to hear anything about this in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Alright, see you later.